Hi, Galen. How are you?
Hi!
Long time.
Hello, Mishaji. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Happy Easter.
Happy Easter to you too. As you can see, I'm already having a great Easter. My wonderful biryani has reached me, and I cannot wait to begin. So, yeah, how are you doing? How's it going?
All good. So Easter with biryani by kilo, biryani and kebabs, eh? Not Easter egg.
Absolutely. No, not an Easter egg this time, but I'm getting compensated with something equally nice, and that is not just one kind of biryani, two kinds of biryani, and my favorite kinds of biryani. So yeah, as you can see, I have so much fun stuff right here, and there's a lot more, but I couldn't fit it in the frame. But I'm so excited. This is going to be so much fun.
No, no, long time. Remember you when you came to biryani by kilo CP, we had a great time. So maybe I
Yes,
think the viewers might not know, we biryani by kilo and MTV did a biryani emoticon campaign together, a very successful one, where we reached
yes.
out to all MTV and BBK. I think remember. I think it was what 6 months back.
Yes, easily. I think about 6 months back, and I think MTV also knew that my love for biryani is so big that nobody else could have represented MTV for a biryani by kilo activation but me. So I got very excited that they got me along, and of course I got the opportunity to come and see you and see the wonderful biryani by kilo outlet that was in Delhi, which is fabulous by the way. So if any of you are in Delhi, please make sure that you go and definitely visit the biryani by kilo there. It is amazing. The staff is outstanding, and the food, without a doubt, is the best. So,
No, so kind of you, Gillen. You always make my day. I always remember. See, but आपको देख के ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि you eat biryani so much. I was really surprised to see, but now I know. Now I know. I've seen you eating biryani now, and so I'll just
yeah,
give a very
actually, you have seen me eating biryani live, so you cannot say I don't eat it.
no, no.
I
I
eat
know,
biryani.
I know,
I
I
really
know.
enjoy my biryani.
No, I know now. I know now. So let me give a very brief introduction. If someone doesn't know, everyone know Galen, but I'll just talk Biryani by Kilo very briefly. I am the co-founder and director of Biryani by Kilo, Vishal Jindal, and we have 40 outlets across India in around 20 cities: Delhi, Bombay, NCR, Pune, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Mohali, Bhopal. So a lot of cities, and it's a 5-year-old company. We are the only company to make fresh handi biryani individually for every order, and it is sealed and it is only opened by the customer. It's dum cooked with one of the best ingredients, and I think Gillian can vouch on the best kebabs in this country, kormas. Thank you so much. And I let me also say a bit about Gillian because I happen to know her a bit. And many people, I think, would know you as a VJ only, mainly MTV, but they might
Yeah.
not know you as one of the best street dancers, right?
Oh my god. Yeah, I mean,
Right?
I used to
Because
be a really hardcore dancer back in college. I would really dedicate a lot of my time to dancing. In fact, I never ever thought that I would end up VJing. I always thought that I would end up in a career in dance. Or if eating biryani was a profession, maybe I could have done that as well. But unfortunately, I don't think that is a profession yet. If you have any opening where there's a biryani tasting job opportunity, you know you have a resume ready. But but no, I mean for me, I was always very. I have a love for a few things that I genuinely, with all my heart, love. Food is one of them. Dance is another one of them. So
yes.
dancing is something I grew up with. I completely enjoy dancing. But then as the years went by, and as luck would have it, and as fate would have it, I became an MTV DJ. Slowly but surely, that started taking a back seat. But thanks for reminding me, Vishalji. I think it's time for me to get back to it.
So I think many people don't know. I think you won all your Xavier competitions. Remember, I remember telling me last time, and I think you are like many people might not know. Galen is a very successful model, right? Actress also, so very multifaceted personality, very talented.
Thank you so much, Shadi. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I mean, I got the opportunity of working with actually a very good friend of mine. DJing
Hmm.
is something that everybody knows me for, as you're saying, but a lot of people don't know that Ayushman and I used to work together at MTV as well. And it
Oh,
was an
oh,
amazing opportunity for me to work alongside a friend and a colleague on a very, very fun film called Nautanki Sala. Unfortunately, I could not do any more after that because I really got tied up with anchoring, and such good anchoring projects came my way that I kind of put acting in a bit of a backseat. I don't have any regrets, but I'm very happy that a lot of people here know me also for that aspect. I see a lot of my friends are here, of course. मेरे जो दोस्त हैं वो हमेशा मेरे हर लाइफ में टपक जाते हैं. So hi guys.
hi. Who all is there? Oh, so
Uh, I don't
uh,
know. I see a
okay.
couple of
So,
my school friends here.
school
So
friend is. So when you were working with Ayushman in MTV, did you ever think that he'll be such a big star, like the Heartthrob, like so many successful movies? Did he come across so good that time also?
well, honestly, Ayushman has always been very, very talented. He's been one guy who always knew that he had something more to offer than just your quintessential actors who are like doing the basic stuff. I always knew that he had great potential, and I think when I did my movie with him, that was his second movie that he was doing. So still a very long way to go, and the competition, as you know, in this industry is so tough. But I think his perseverance and his skill and his pure raw talent has got him where he is. And
Hmm.
another guy I must mention who really enjoys his food and his biryani and his kebabs is Ayushman. So let's
Okay,
hope that we
okay.
can taste this
So,
soon as
so,
well.
I'll take his contact and we'll send him the biryanis. But I think he is from Chandigarh, Mohali, and I think his parents there have ordered biryani by kilo. What we understand a
Yes,
few times.
yes,
Yes, yes,
yes.
yes,
They're
yes,
huge foodies. They love food.
yes.
And I think what's really nice is that when you have a healthy balance between enjoying life and also working hard, I think that's what makes life worth it. That is why
Right, right.
I
And
think
you are,
working out, I just started working out along with my silly friend who has joined me here on this live. We both
hmm,
started. So all of you who are at home and who are wondering what to do, eating biryani by kilo is a great option. And after you eat that, you can also burn it off by doing a little bit of work at home, so you don't feel guilty. I have to say, eating biryani is an absolute guilt-free hobby. It's a hobby for me to eat biryani because I love it so much. But yeah, I mean, there are so many things. You know, I get a lot of messages, Vishalji, कि घर बैठे बैठे हमें बोर हो रहा है. There are so many things to do at home, and there are so
hmm,
many productive ways that you can help out at home. So I think everybody should really, really put their minds
hmm.
in the positive direction and move in a way where you feel that you know, I'm doing this. Yes, I'm sitting at home. Yes, I can't go out and meet my friends and do all of that, but at least I'm doing it for the greater good of my country and my people.
No, no, I think we all have to stay indoors, stay safe, and keep everyone else safe. And all the companies like grocery delivery, food deliveries, I think we are all, working very hard. We have put a video, maybe you can see on our website or on our social media handles, where we have tried to honor all the delivery soldiers. There are more than 1 million delivery soldiers, we call them,
Yes,
Biryani by Kilo, Grofers, Big Basket, and Zomato, Swiggy, who are keeping all of us safe. So, and also, I'll take this opportunity to tell viewers also that sometimes, people are a little scared now whether we should eat the, outside food and all that. So there are a lot of
yes,
FDA studies, like in Domino's delivery in US is through the roof, even in these times. So,
right,
and, Biryani by Kilo has created a safety standards tab on their website for all the steps we are taking. So each and every employee's temperature is taken in morning and evening. We sanitize the kitchen every 1 hour. Every delivery bag is sanitized after every order. And
yes,
because we make fresh biryani individually in handi for every order, and the same handi is delivered, so it's sealed and it comes in a tamper-proof bag, and it's a contactless delivery. And also,
yeah,
even if people are still a bit worried, they can always, reheat or microwave a handi or kebabs in their own home vessels. And once you put it in microwave or reheat for a minute or two, most viruses or contamination will never survive a 100 degree centigrade kind of heat. So people can
right.
And even, we might have maids or help at home. We do all need to celebrate and give them a little rest. So I think,
Absolutely.
and
So
how
I
are you?
completely agree with what you're saying, and I have to vouch for something that I've seen myself firsthand. Even when we did our biryani by kilo activation in Delhi a couple of months ago, I know that biryani by kilo is always so very gracious. I remember you guys coming ahead and literally just giving out biryani to so many students. I think over 100, if I'm not
Right,
mistaken, if not more,
more than that, yeah.
maybe 1,000. I'm not sure. But I know that you guys are always gracious when it comes to that. You're also helping out the daily wage workers in this time of need, which is outstanding, which is absolutely the need of the hour. And I think Biryani By Kilo as a company has always been that company to always support and help people in need or anyone who they feel that they can help out. And that's why I have to say a big, big kudos to you, your team, along with serving some really great food. You're also out there with a great heart, and that really matters in today's world. So we
No,
really
no.
appreciate that, and thank you so much.
No, so kind of you to say all that. We are doing whatever we can to help the needy. But tell us one last thing. So, what are the plans for the Easter today? What are the plans? How many family members are at home? How many friends and
So,
family? Or what is just complete social distancing?
so
Or
unfortunately, right now, Easter is going to be a very, very small affair in my house. It's just going to be my mom, my dad, and me.
hmm,
And we're planning on really, really going to town with this. We've got all the good stuff that we could lay our hands on, and my favorite has to be right here, the
oh, you
matka
you
fifty.
love the filming. You love the filming.
I think I'm going to be that person who goes for dessert before the starters. But
Hmm.
let me share my order with you. I think I should get you guys salivating a little bit looking at my biryani order.
What
I
did you
got
order
the
today?
chicken ghee roast, which is my
Okay,
absolute favorite. It's a
it's a Andhra
must,
dish.
must, must
Yes.
order. Yeah,
Hmm.
I absolutely love it. Another one is the mutton galati. If you
Wow, I
guys are
think
mutton
this
lovers,
is my favorite.
maybe
My mutton colot is the favorite
it's
for
the
me.
best. It's the best. So mutton kaloti is something that I always order from Biryani by Kilo as well. Apart from that, in desserts, I have to say the matka femi, hands down. Even though I've also called for the gulab jamun and rabdi today because I
Wow,
said
wow.
since I'm
It's a
cheating, I might as well.
so gulab jamun with rabdi is a new addition. BBK's gulab jamun with rabdi. So you should give me the feedback once you
I'm
try it
going
today.
for it.
Yes, 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 yes.
Completely. Most importantly, the ones that we're actually here for, I've ordered two different kinds of biryanis. One is because it was too tough to choose from. Honestly, if I could, I would have ordered a matka of everything, but then that's just me going crazy. But my two favorites are the chicken Hyderabadi and the mutton Lucknowi. So if you
Wow.
guys try any other biryanis from Biryani by Kilo that I haven't tried out, please let me know in the comment section, and next time I'll order that.
Yeah, and also I like to say for vegetarians, we have a very, very wide menu. Our kathal biryani,
Yes,
peshawari chole biryani, paneer biryani, and some of the veg galotis are, to really die for, and some of our kormas. But
yes.
I think some people were going to really hate us for making talk so much about food, and they are going to just run to the kitchens. But I know you can burn it off. But so how's anything new? Like any new movies coming up? Any new shows on MTV? Anything you like to
Actually,
tell the
honestly,
viewers?
there is so much exciting stuff that's coming up. Unfortunately, it's stalled for a while because of the quarantine period that we're in and the lockdown that we're in. But I just finished WrestleMania with WWE. That was one of the highlights of the year, one
Oh,
of the
oh,
biggest
I
events.
forgot.
Uh,
You are doing the WWF, right?
WWE. Now it's WWE.
WWE.
And
Oh, how's it
I'm
going?
the official host for WWE in India. So that just got over. I just finished that. We had a bunch of whatever we could do. Being in our own homes, we did. But that was a very, very big event that we got done with. Apart from that, once this gets over, hopefully we get back on set as soon as possible. We have MTV Hustle 2 that is coming up that I host.
Wow.
So that's something I'm really, really looking forward to. Season 1 was an absolute hit. It was amazing. And season 2 is going to be bigger and better. So I hope all of you can watch it at home. And while you're watching it at home, don't forget to order yourself a really nice biryani.
So, best of luck for everything you do. You always make my day when I see your face and meet you. And thank you so much. Stay safe and happy Easter to you and everyone, all the viewers. Thank you so much.
Thank you
And
so
do
much,
keep ordering
Saji.
biryanis also.
Absolutely. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, guys.
Thank
Happy
you so
Easter
much.
to
Thank
everyone.
you. Bye,
Stay
happy
indoors.
Easter. Take
Bye,
care. Bye.
Adele. Bye, Lendl. Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Vishal.
Bye,
See you.
Gillian. Bye. 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 Bye.